So we're at Saxon Harbor. Kim's got a secret little trail here we're going to try. Probably going to get eaten alive by mosquitoes or attacked by a bear or something. I don't know. No, I'm just joking. Instead of walking all the way around, probably get some better footage of kind of where we're staying and all. This is kind of neat. We're just kind of walking down a little trail here. Not a giant beach, but big enough. And then they got a sand beach over on the other side of where the harbor entrance is. Here we are in Saxon Harbor in Wisconsin. We're camping here for about a week. The wind's been just blowing like crazy, just like when we were up on the Kiwanee.